everyone, welcome back for another vlog, and for today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to add Flair in your username. So if you want to know more, make sure to finish this video and follow the simple steps. So as you can see, I'm now here on reddit.com on my Google Chrome. So if you do have the application, just use that, but I prefer to use it via Google Chrome. So as you can see, the first thing that you need to do to be able to add Flair in your username in Reddit is, of course, you need to log in. Since I'm already logged in, I need to head on to my profile account here. Then once it loads, it loads again, just click on your profile at the right side corner. So it's kind of taking a lot of time, so okay. And then once it loads, this my stuff, view options, etc., click on user settings. Okay, so just wait for it to load. Once it loads, you just only need to head on to, it's taking kind of a bit long, so you just need to head on to notifications, and then here, as you can see, you need to turn on the new user Flair in here. New user Flair. As you can see, mine is already turned on here. It's already color blue, so if it's not yet color blue, then just turn it on. Alright, so it's already turned on, so we will gonna check on how to see or how to use this Flair on your username, how to add Flair in your username. So you need to head on to here at the left side corner, your profile in there, then just choose a community that you want to go in with. So I'm gonna choose this one, the R Beauty Talk. Oh, sorry, it's this one, Beauty Talk PH. And then what you need to do is to click here and create post here. Click on that. Then as you can see here at the right side corner, there's preview and this pen button. So click on the pen button and this will gonna pop up. So in here, just only tap the pen button again, and you could add up the user Flair for this community. So I think I'm just gonna put some like gorgeous Mimi, and then apply. And as you can see, it's already in there, gorgeous Mimi, it's already added. So that's how easy it is, guys, to add Flair in your username. So if you want to know more, make sure to always give us a thumbs up, as well as hit the notification bell, and of course subscribe to our channel for you to get updated on our latest update. So thank you for watching.